Good morning! Good morning, guys. So, welcome to the vlog. I'm about to leave for a nail appointment and I thought I'd show you guys my outfit. Sweatshirt is from an Instagram account. I'll put it here because I can't remember the name. My leggings are from Lululemon and I'm wearing Converse. So, that's the outfit. I'm going to get my nails done. I'm so excited. They're in so much need of it. So, we're just gonna head on our way. I'm a little early. It's like 9:50 right now. Sorry, it's low-key hot in my car, so I have the AC blasting. Oh gosh, the shaking camera. I'm so excited. I haven't had my nails done in so long. I love having my nails done. Makes my hands look prettier. So, I'm so excited. And that is what we're starting off the day with. It's 9:54 right now, and my appointment's at 11, but I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks first. So we need to leave so I can get Starbucks and make it there on time. So yeah, I'm really freaking excited. So let's just go. Let's head out. Yeah. Anyways, I'm at Target. I'm gonna get Starbucks in here because I need to grab a mask because I don't have one in my car and I need one. So let's go into Target and get Starbucks. You're back. I'll be back with Starbucks in my hand. Ready? Watch this for transition vibes. Okay, ready? I definitely did not do that transition good. But I got my Starbucks. Olivia. Boop. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Get your drink, get your coffee, get your whatever you're drinking, and cheers me. I'm sorry, that was weird. And I got a pumpkin loaf because you know how I feel about my pumpkin loaf. Okay, I gotta head to the nail appointment now, so let's go. Okay, Okay, so I just got to the nail salon. I'm gonna give you guys a little before of my nails, close up, and then I will see you guys after with my new nails. So cute. Okay, so here's the before. They're so bad. Don't look how crusty they are. But before, and here is the new nails. They are orange, like a burnt-ish orange French tip. And I love them. They look so good. They're almond shaped, like burnt orange French tip. Yeah, pretty basic, but really cute. And I'm freaking so glad to have my nails back. Right now, I'm at CVS going to pick up my birth control. Oh boy. And then I'm going to the grocery store because I'm cooking dinner tonight, guys. I'm making Gigi pasta, which you guys, if you watch my videos, you've seen me make multiple times, but you're going to see me do it again. But yeah, here's my nails. So cute. Love, love. So as you guys know, I love Caseify. I have like 25 of their cases. They're just so good, and I put all my family onto them. They love them. And with the new iPhone 13 coming out, you guys should definitely get a Caseify case to protect your phone while it's still being cute, because you know. And Caseify's new Impact and Ultra Impact cases are made up of 65% recycled plastics, so you can feel really good about having your phone case. This is the Ultra Impact. It has wiener dogs on it. You probably have seen it if you watch my videos. It's pretty self-explanatory. It has like my dog on it. But this is the Ultra Impact, and the Impact cases, my mom has an Impact case and it just doesn't have these bumpers, but they're both really protected. Caseify's Chi-Tech 2.0 technology offers drop protection up to 9.8 feet for the Ultra Impact phone cases and up to 6 feet for the Impact cases. Their cases are also wireless charging and 5G compatible. I always charge my phone wireless on a thing, and they work perfectly with the Caseify cases. Caseify has so many options to choose from patterns, like colors, you know, styles, mirror cases, customizable cases. If you hear the dogs in the background, so sorry, they're like playing. There's so many cases for every season, for fall, Christmas, summer, winter, whatever you want. There are so many cases to choose from, and you can customize them to however you want, or do a photo cred just like what my fiance has, with pictures of your friends or pictures, just cute pictures, aesthetic. Make it exactly how you want, and it's perfect. Caseify's Ultra Impact and Impact cases are 100% BPA free, 100% non-toxic and non-hazardous. Their cases feature Defensify, which is an antimicrobial coating that kills up to 99% of bacteria, so you don't have to worry about germs being crazy on your phone when it's in your hands, on your face all the time, which is really awesome. And with the holidays coming up, this would be a great gift for a friend, boyfriend, family member, anyone. It'd be a great gift. So definitely go and check them out. Just go to casebycase.com/Messler to save 15% off your new iPhone 13 case or any case that you want. Definitely go check it out. I love them and they'd be the perfect gift for Christmas or anything. Or if you just want to treat yourself, go get it. Really good case. If you got the new phone, go get one of these. They'll protect it and look cute. What more could you ask for? Definitely check it out. Link will be in my description box below. Dinner time. I'm cooking the GG pasta. I already told you guys about it, but my mom just fried chicken, so it's gonna be pretty good. Whoa, look at that lighting. Just get into a cooking montage. Oh, jeez.
You drank too much. You said I only want you, only want you. When we woke up, you were gone.
It flies off every time.
It was obvious. You only came through cause you had nothing to do. When we woke up, you were gone. You said you'd never ever let me go, but you just didn't wanna be alone. Sometimes it's better to be lonely than to fuck up somebody. You just didn't wanna be alone.
Okay, so Bradley and I are about to work out. We've been trying to work out every day for the past like 3 days. I think this will be our 3rd day working out. So I'm about to change. Here's my outfit before. Don't mind the messy room. Before outfit and okie dokes. This is the not gym fit, but working out fit. This little zip up is from Marshalls, and then I think these are either from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. So yeah, this is so cute. It's the brand 90 Degree. It's really cute. Go to your Marshalls and get it, because how cute is this? And it's got thumb holes if you are in somewhere like cold and you're running or something. I don't know. Let's go work out. Okay, let's go.
You only came through cause you had nothing to do. When we woke up, you were gone. You said you'd never ever let me go, but you just didn't wanna be alone.
The lighting is so bad. We're working out. It's so bad lighting where we are on the porch, but I think we'll come out here and like jump rope, so I'll film that. But we're just doing arm workouts, so yeah. Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, I don't look the cutest, but I'm making a smoothie now. I'm gonna make, actually, I might try to make like acai. Strawberry, banana, acai? Question mark? My parents just got a Vitamix, so I'm gonna use that.
You're not looking for love, looking for love.